Na našem področju večinoma velja, da so avtomobilski oblikovalci tisti, ki nam priskrbijo najbolj za lase privlečene zgodbe. Da so to neki sanjači, ki se ravnajo po navdihu, prav velike uporabne vrednosti pa od njih ni. Ampak že nekaj let ugotavljam, da sem se zelo, zelo motil. Teden oblikovanja tukaj v Milanu pa je to mojo zmoto še do konca potrdil. Namreč modern dizajn je res povsem, ampak res povsem prizemljen. Modern dizajn je neločljivo povezan z našim vsakdanom. Predvsem pa modern dizajn hodi v roko v roki z inženiringom. In skupaj se trudita poskrbeti za trajnejše rešitve. Še celo takšna inštalacija tukaj za mano, ki nima neke uporabne vrednosti, ima trajnostno noto in cilja na trajnejšo uporabo določenih materialov. Predlagam pa, da v naslednjih minutah pogledamo nekaj primerov, ki bi jih pa lahko že zelo kmalu začeli uporabljati in z njimi čistiti naš jutri. V Milanu sicer ni bilo prav enostavno najti direktno povezavo z avtomobili, smo pa zelo enostavno našli povezavo s sestavnimi deli avtomobilov. Recimo, BMW je pokazal, v katero smer gredo njegovi avtomobilski sedeži. Audi je pokazal, kako ponovno uporabi plastiko, kako razbita vetrobranska stekla in kako redke kovine, ki gradijo Audijeve baterije. In v Milanu nisem mogel prevzeti sporočila prestižnega ladjarja, ki je rekel, da na njihovih barkah ne bo več zaslonov, samo takšna seksi zlata stikala. Seveda je bilo tudi veliko sporočanja preko klasičnega oblikovanja, recimo preko barv. Peugeot recimo 30-letnico prve zmage v Le Manu praznuje s takšno barvito kreacijo Javija Demskija. Seveda pa dirkalniki nikoli niso samo stvar zabave.
Being, at Milano and the Design Week, I think this is strongly part, of the Peugeot experience that we want to deliver when we talk about allure and when we talk about a Peugeot. I would say there is some design elements that we already embodied, on our production car. You can see the 3 closed light signature, and this is something we also have on our production car. The fact that the global attitude, this bouncing attitude, this is really something we would like to continue in the future on all our production model. And this mix, of tension and sensual shape, this is something also we would like to continue to develop for the future of our range.
Ampak celo Peugeotovci so svoje milansko sporočilo vezali na trajnost.
The 9X8 is the perfect embodiment of what we mean by allure. We have 3 values as a brand. Allure in terms of design expresses emotion. That's the driving experience. That's part of what allure is about as well. And our 3rd value is excellence. Excellence is about technology, it's about efficiency. And you think about the purpose of an endurance car, it's to make it last, it's to be efficient, and it's about durability. We do more track distance in an endurance race like Le Mans than an F1 car in the whole season.
Milanski teden oblikovanja pa je že 10 let povezan tudi z Lexusovo nagrado za posebne oblikovalske dosežke. In letošnje leto zmagovalec ni en sam, ampak 4 izredni start-up eko-projekti. Najprej nam bo mladi Šved premešal meglo. Ampak v nadvse pozitivnem smislu.
I was starting to thinking about how can you gather water in the desert when it's totally arid. And also in Chile, water is privatized, so it's big companies owning this water. I started to think about these species because there are animals and plants that can survive in the desert. And then I found out that cactus, how they can survive is because of the fog. So they have a design that makes them catch the fog droplets and they can store it into an integrated water bladder.
Torej, švedsko jakno gremo lahko v naravo s praznimi bidoni.
When you catch fog, the water will be collected, transferred and collected to this pocket that allows you to carry up to 3 liters of water a day. And then it's easily accessed by the user through this water straw. One of the main challenges of the project is to find where and when you can catch fog. And this is solved through an application you can download on your phone. The app allows you to know the exact locations which will be optimal for fog catching. So humidity, temperature and wind is values that you will consider important. It's important to distinguish the fog in the cities and the fog that is natural. And the natural fog it's a lifesaver in arid areas and should be seen as a valuable resource. Whilst in the cities, we have another challenge of contamination and toxic air.
Preselimo se zdaj na Kitajsko. Tu je še en projekt povezan z vodo.
Alone in China, every year there are 10 million tons of ceramic waste, and 5 to even 26% ceramic are wasted in the production process. So in here, I really want to offer a possibility and a solution for those ceramic waste use.
Odpadna keramika ne samo, da jemlje občutno veliko površino, ampak delci pogosto onesnažijo celo vodo. Mladi Kitajec, ki je študiral v Esnu in Milanu, zato predstavlja 3D natisnjene izdelke iz odpadne gline, ki zmorejo v glineni prah potegniti kar največ vode. Princip je preprost in brez rabe energije.
Here is different material, different structure, and with different water absorption height. So this one is with its original clay. Without anything added. And this one is with recycled ceramic powder added into the clay, and you can really see the difference of the water absorption height, right? And here is with print structure, like the pedal structure in here. It made a pressure difference and further increase the water absorption. Further improve the water absorption.
Torej, več površine, več izhlapevanja vode v zrak. Seveda je to primerno tudi tukaj v Sloveniji, ko nam po zimi recimo radiatorji preveč izsušijo naše sobe in jih moramo potem navlažiti. Spoznajmo pa zdaj dva korejska študenta z vrečkami, ki bi jih lahko celo pojedli.
It's an eco-friendly package. It can clean up anything in the gel bag. We made this by algae from seaweed. So we mixed in algae film or oil or some powder. We mix it and dry it. Then it becomes a film. So it is very eco-friendly. We can eat it.
As you know, we have to wash the vegetable. From the vegetable usually use the pesticides, like for the prevent the bug like that. So if we add the baking soda, then pesticides is removed. So we just add the baking soda film in the vegetable package.
Četrta Lexusova nagrada pa gre 3D sestavljenki za slabovidne.
Our product is a 3D topographic puzzle that aims to only rely on touch to solve the puzzle. Unlike the traditional puzzle where you have to rely on your eye to piece together the puzzle, this is solely on touch. The puzzle is mainly based on a real-life geographical mountain in Yosemite, and we basically abstract the pattern and turn it into bite-sized pieces. And every piece is embedded with magnet feedback that allows you to intuitively connect them together.
One of the prototypes that we came up with to explore different textures that you find in the nature, right? So for example, you have representation of trees, you have representation of fluffy snow represented by these like bubbly forms, and then you have textures of grass represented by these vertical linear lines. Our project is primarily catered to the visually impaired, but a second usage for us is to really cater to children. I think children have a really great awareness to their surroundings, and also I think a lot of them are really interested in learning about landscapes around the world. So let them learn about different landscapes like Yosemite, Mount Fuji, and also maybe like Zermatt, Matterhorn, all these like very signature landscape locations. And another category that we're trying to reach out to is the puzzle being a meditative tool. So how do people use it to calm themselves down in cases of anxiety?
Eden od dvojice avtorjev teh sestavljank je v Kopenhagnu študiral skupaj s slovensko arhitektko in mladeniča sta se navdušila nad Slovenijo, da že snujeta eno od sestavljank tudi v obliki triglava. Za konec pa seveda poslušajmo, kaj imajo ti ekoprojekti veze z Lexusom.
The connection between the project and Lexus is that we work against a better tomorrow. And that concept connects both the project with Lexus, but also the project with other winners. We have the ambition to create a better tomorrow. For me, this is my proposal.
Kako zelo močno pa je dizajn povezan z našim vsakdanjim življenjem oziroma z našo vsakdanjo mobilnostjo, pa na nek način simbolno dokazuje tudi ta razstava, saj je tukaj sredi Milana v botaničnem vrtu. Namreč to razstavo je pripravil italijanski energetski velikan in med te rožice je postavil zelo poučno vsebino glede ravnanja z energijo, kakršnokoli, vodikom, elektriko, benzinom, rabo letal, vlakov, javnega prometa. In s tem na nek način dokazuje, da je pravzaprav dizajn našega vsakdana zelo, zelo pomemben. Da prav z dizajnom naše mobilnosti lahko zelo, zelo veliko pripomoremo k temu, da bomo takšno lepo pokrajino imeli ne samo v takšnih botaničnih vrtovih, ampak tudi vse povsod. Lexus tudi sicer redno predstavlja projekte, ki na prvi pogled nimajo veze z avtomobili. Celo na predstavitvah avtomobilov več časa govorimo o drugih rečeh, naprimer o diamantih, o kruhu ali pa čevljih. Za vaš naslednji klik, torej tokrat predlagamo premik iz Milana v Antwerpen.